In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error 0x97 on Epson printers. So let's get started. The first thing and the important thing that you can do is to restart your printer. So on how you can restart your printer, the first thing you need to do is to turn off your printer. Okay, so in order to restart your printer, turn off your printer and unplug the cables attached to it. Okay? All you need to do is turn off your printer and unplug the cables attached to it. After detaching the data cables, wait for a while around 5 minutes. Okay? After detaching the data cables, wait for a while around 5 minutes. Then press and hold the power button up to 60 seconds. Again, press and hold the power button up to 60 seconds. Okay? Keep in mind that you don't have to release the power button during that process. Okay? So that's how you can restart your printer. The second thing that you can do is to update the printer drivers. Right click at the start button and select device manager. Then you have to simply locate the printers or the print queues. Click on the arrow to expand, and then right click each driver, select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Right click update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Right click update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Do this for each driver under print queues. You can also do it for the universal serial bus controllers, especially the root hub. Right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And the last thing that you can do is to click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you'll find printer with the run button corresponding to it. Run the printer troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So simply follow what it suggests and what it recommends. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.